Okay, so it's 7:15. By 7:19, you should finish your test, okay? So you guys are able to do any problem, any issues?
Ma'am, the screen is continuously loading for me, ma'am.
Maybe just change your network connection. Maybe it's for the network glitch. Is the issue with other one also? Others?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Do it. Amrita ma'am, just check your network connection.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Manasa ma'am, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The test is going on. Okay. I have sent in the chat box. You can see. You can start your test now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, quickly. They are about to end.
Ma'am, I'm unable to do the test. I'm not able to see the link.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Just a minute. I think you have joined again now. That's fine. Okay, I have sent in the chat box. Just check.
Ma'am, I can't see the chat box.
It's in the chat box. Are you able to see, Divya ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, good, Gautam Sai ma'am. Wait for others to complete. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you able to see, Divya ma'am? I have sent again in the chat box.
No, ma'am, I'm not able to see.
Rejoin, quickly rejoin, ma'am. I think your
Oh,
network issue. You are having something network issue. Okay, so yes, Gautam Sai ma'am has completed, Bhavna ma'am has completed, Akanksha ma'am has completed. Others, quickly. It's just 6 question, right? Okay, so done, guys. Okay, I could see Gautam ma'am completed, Bhavna ma'am completed, Akanksha ma'am completed, Kritika ma'am completed, Manasa ma'am completed, Amrita ma'am completed, and Vartini ma'am completed. So who is left? Everyone is done? Guys, quickly answer. Who all have completed, just raise your hand quickly. Okay, Bhavna ma'am, Amrita ma'am, Vartini ma'am. Okay. Akanksha ma'am, you have done, right? You have completed the test?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Divya ma'am. Okay, Gautam Sai ma'am. Kritika ma'am, you are done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so you can lower your hands. So as many of them have completed, so how was your test?
Ma'am, not good.
Not good. Quite
Good.
tough.
Not good, ma'am.
It's somewhat difficult, ma'am, compared
The
to
questions were
before one.
easy, ma'am, but it was little confusing, ma'am.
Confusing, huh? थोड़ा tough था, है ना? Okay, no problem. I know it was tough, but yeah, good attempt. As of now, I can see Vartini ma'am has scored the highest. Okay, so yes, good Vartini ma'am, good effort, and good effort from all of you. Okay, I know it's quite tough.
Thank you, ma'am.
Divya ma'am, you could have do it, ma'am. What is the issue, Divya ma'am?
Ma'am, I couldn't open the link. There was some
PPT was
there.
able to, right? Okay, I'm again sharing. Just quickly see, and I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes to complete. If you can, check in the chat box quickly.
Ma'am, I,
Is it visible to you? You can
yes,
open.
ma'am.
Yeah, quickly start and quickly finish. Okay. Okay, others just will wait for Divya ma'am to finish. Then we'll discuss the question answers. Okay?
Sure, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Okay.
ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
It's regarding the test questions.
No, ma'am. Like overall, can you share the PPT presentation, ma'am?
Like the PPT we are doing like in the everyday session,
Yes.
we are using
Yes,
that.
ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. See the anyway the link will be shared, right? The session links, so you can go through that links and like you can have that for your reference. Okay.
Uh, till now, none of the links are sent, ma'am. That's why
Yes,
I'm.
yes, it will be shared soon. Yeah, yeah, from some technical glitches are there. Okay, so for that, I think it hasn't been sent to you. Okay, it will be shared soon. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And anyways, these topics are available in the like net also, right? You can just quickly go through also.
it's done.
Divya ma'am, it's done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, yes. How was your test, Divya ma'am? What do you think? It was tough, easy? What is it? Okay, fine. Tough. Okay, okay. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, so first question was, we'll quickly discuss. The first question was, it is very important that the performance management dash support the performance monitoring process, right? So, can anybody tell me what answer you have given? Can you remember? Okay, I'm just reading out the options. Feedback tools, information systems, analysis, and action plans.
I
So,
selected tools.
Ma'am, I select that.
okay, so correct answer is information systems. We have discussed, you guys remember, we have discussed HRIS, Human Resource Information System, right?
Yes,
It's,
ma'am.
yeah,
Right, ma'am.
yeah, it's related to that. So the question is telling that it's very important that the performance management, okay, performance management information systems support the performance monitoring process. So basically, while monitoring the performance, or we can say that the monitoring process being like judged, okay, but that has to be related to, that has to be supported to by performance management information system, okay, where all the information has been stored for HR database. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
And
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes, the second question was performance management is interpersonal influence exercised by a leader in specific situations or in response to critical incidents or developmental opportunities. This was the first option, and the second option was given formal and more general feedback and information at predetermined intervals. So, which one is correct according to you? Performance management is first one or the second one? Formal one or the interpersonal influence exercised by a leader?
Is the second one, ma'am?
No, the correct one is the first one. Okay. See, here you can say developmental opportunities. I told you like many times that in performance management, while setting the goals and objectives, you need to, you, as a manager or as an HR, you need to understand that their like agenda or goal, right? So it has to be aligned with the objectives of organization with like that particular individual, right? There should be a developmental goal, right? Career progress, career growth. So the first answer would be correct. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the third one is performance management is about just the appraisal form and or system. So it is true or false? What do you think?
Ma'am, it's false.
Performance management. Yes, correct.
Yeah, it's false, but I'm
Who
still
said that?
true.
Okay, okay. No problem. So basically, performance management is not only about the appraisal form, it's about giving quick feedbacks, it's about career growth, it's about aligning with the organizational goals, setting smart objectives or smart goals, right? It includes many things. It's just not the appraisal form. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others? Only Vartini ma'am is saying yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Others?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 good, good, good. Now the another question was PM, like performance management is a dash, and therefore many aspects of PM can be automated. I know it was a quite tricky answer. Okay, so anything you guys like what answer you have given? Remember? Okay, no one has given the correct answer for this particular question.
I have given ongoing continuous process, ma'am.
You are quite close, Vartini ma'am, but only it should be only process. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Continuous performance management itself a continuous process. That is absolutely right. Okay, your point of view is correct, but here what is the question is asking? Performance management is a dash, and therefore many aspects of PM can be automated. Like performance management is a continuous process, but here it's specifically saying is it a process or is it something some planning or something like that. So it's a process. Here you can say performance management is a process. So we the many aspects of performance management could be automated. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next one is performance management
ma'am.
affects the self image. Okay, yes, the next one is performance management affects the self image of an individual. Is it true or false?
True.
Vartini ma'am is saying true. Others? Amrita ma'am, Kritika ma'am, Gautam Sai ma'am,
Ma'am,
Divya ma'am.
true.
Ma'am, true, ma'am.
True,
Ma'am,
right?
true.
Yes. It's so it's help like it's a affects a self image of an individual. It affects a individual or an employee, right? So it is true. The last question was negative feedback needs to include at least some discussion about its ultimate dash so that the receiver understands the reasons or for receiving a negative feedback. So, yes, what is the answer you have given? Okay,
Ma'am,
I'm
consequences.
just.
Consequences, ma'am.
Oh, absolutely correct,
Ma'am,
correct.
consequences.
Vartini ma'am. Okay. So good. Yes, so the basically negative feedback needs to include at least some discussion because you need to understand while you are giving, like why you are giving negative feedback. That has to be communicated well, whom you are giving that negative feedback, right? So ultimate consequences has to be attached so that the receiver understand the reason for receiving a negative feedback. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so every question answer was clear now, like was answered by you. You whatever answer you have given, and now whatever answer I have just told, you have understood the difference. Why you got a lesser mark or why you have not corrected. It's clear, right? I think this is now clear with you. All the answers, all the question answers. It's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No
No.
doubts, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then quickly we'll go ahead. I have sent one link in the chat box. Open the link quickly. Are you guys able to access that link? Yes, no. It's
Yes,
opening
ma'am.
for you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
it's a small article. It will just take 2 to 3 minutes to read. Quickly go and read the article. Okay. And then come back. And then we'll quickly discuss it. I'll ask each and everyone's understanding on this particular article. Okay. Start reading now. We'll come back at 7:42. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, start. Okay, so it's 7:42. You guys are finished with the reading this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Gautam Sai ma'am. Okay, I have sent it again. Quickly do it. Quickly read it. Huh? Done? It's already 10 minutes. The article is very short. Guys, are you guys there or not?
Yes, ma'am, we are there.
Okay, so we'll start with Akanksha ma'am. What is your understanding on this article?
So, ma'am, Fossil Group has came up with a very innovative idea about performance management, in which Fossil Group can understand his employees, okay, the way they are working, and also what feedback needs to be given to those employees. They have also came up with a day called Performance Day. On that day, they are not going to ask any of the employees to work, and are going to, all the managers, team leaders, and employees are going to come up together to discuss the strategy of this feedback, that is called as performance management. Ma'am, you're there?
Good. Okay. Tini ma'am?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is your understanding? What is your
Yes,
takeaways?
ma'am. So it is a process of fossil performance management. Actually, the industry was undergoing a rapid change, and then they have gone to increase a competition. So in this, fossil group needed to find more efficient way to keep their performance. So they are creating three steps for increasing their performance. So according to this, their group they just gather together to increase and working together to increase their performance. That's all. So this is called performance management.
Good. Okay. Divya ma'am, Gautam Saj ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't read the.
Okay, fine, no problem. So basically, let me just tell you in a brief, okay, nutshell what the article is saying. So basically, it was for fossil group, right? The group was following completely paper process for performance reviews and check-ins for more than 15,000 global employees. So is it a convenient? Is it like what is your understanding? Is it good or they need to change it? For 15,000 employees, they are, you know, like continuing, they were doing the performance management in a paper process, paper pen process. So what is this? This is time taking, right? Time
Yes.
consuming.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so they wanted to shift to digital performance management strategy. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
for that, here, see, a Fossil Group evolved its company-wide performance approach, right? So basically, they simplified their performance management, and they the first point is noted here. See, they schedule ongoing performance conversation and continuous feedback. I have told you again and again, the feedback should be a continuous process and real-time feedback. You guys remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so it's nothing but the same thing. They have shifted the paper pen to digital. Okay, they have digitalized their performance management process and they have started ongoing performance or a continuous performance management, continuous feedback process. Okay, and ongoing performance conversations, regular check-in meetings, right? This is the key words for performance management. Anywhere you go, remember these words: continuous feedbacks, check-in meetings, real-time feedback, ongoing performance conversations. Do not forget these words, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Clear? Yes. So basically, they have shifted to a ongoing process, continuous feedback, right? So they have implemented performance days. So basically, days strictly dedicated to employee performance. Okay, they have particularly assigned one day for that. On this day, no task related to meetings are scheduled, and all work is set aside for the day. Just conversation between managers and employees and the team, all are centered, all are conducted on that particular day. So it will help them to understand where the employees are situating at that moment. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And the second one is created, yes, so they created intuitive goal conversation templates. So what is your understanding on this? So they have understood that not only this conversation are going to help them to improve their productivity. Okay, so the conversations needed to include healthy dialogue, debate, and collaboration from managers and employees. So they created one-on-one templates to help guide managers and employees through an effective and productive goal conversation. So check-in templates, whatever they have said, that could be customized, okay, to the needs and work of individual teams and team members. It has to be, it has like, it's like more customized, like vary. It is varying from individual employee, individual personnel in the organization. So the templates they have made, then they made sure that the conversation were focused on creating clear, aligned, and motivating goals, smart goals. Okay. And the third one is major is they use recognition to keep performance conversation fresh. So basically, it's the recognizing employee on the basis of their performance on a daily basis. Okay, how they are doing. If some employee is doing absolutely great, then you need to recognize, you need to praise that employee, so that employee will feel motivated and they will feel, okay, no, yes, I have done a great job, so I need to work hard more. Okay, that mentality will be set eventually. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So while they were using paper pen wala method, now they have shifted to digitalized. They have digitalized their process. So it is helping them to make their employees motivated, and it will eventually lead to good productivity of the employees. Clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how was your understanding? How was your, like, any feedback about the today's test and anything today's session?
So, ma'am, for like most of the organizations, they are adapting this